The ability of human beings to speak, to articulate thoughts, and to communicate complex ideas is one of the defining traits of our species. Unlike other primates, whose vocalizations are limited to calls and signals, humans developed a system of language that allows for abstract reasoning, storytelling, and the transmission of culture across generations. Scientists now believe that this extraordinary capacity may have been triggered by a beneficial genetic mutation. At the center of this discovery is the FOXP2 gene, often referred to as the language gene. All humans carry this gene, but what makes it remarkable is that at some point in our evolutionary past, FOXP2 underwent a mutation that introduced two new amino acids not found in chimpanzees or other primate relatives. These seemingly small changes had profound consequences. They altered the way the human brain was wired, particularly in regions associated with speech and language processing. The timing of this mutation is estimated to have occurred around 200,000 years ago, coinciding with the emergence of anatomically modern Homo sapiens. However, genetic evidence suggests that the same mutation may also have been present in other archaic humans, such as Neanderthals and Denisovans. This indicates that the capacity for speech may not have been unique to our direct ancestors, but part of a broader evolutionary development among closely related human species. Fossil evidence adds another layer to this story. Remains discovered in northern Africa show that Homo sapiens existed as early as 300,000 years ago. Yet for at least 100,000 years before the FOXP2 mutation became widespread, these early humans likely communicated in more limited ways. Their language may have been a proto-system, a combination of vocal calls, rudimentary word-like sounds, hand gestures, and facial expressions. This would have been enough to coordinate hunting, warn of danger, or express basic emotions, but not the fully developed speech we recognize today. The spread of the FOXP2 mutation marked a turning point. With enhanced neural pathways for vocal control and symbolic thought, humans gained the ability to form structured sentences, convey abstract concepts, and preserve knowledge through oral tradition. This leap in communication likely gave our species a decisive advantage, enabling larger social groups, more sophisticated cooperation, and the beginnings of culture as we know it. Modern research continues to explore the role of FOXP2. While it is not the sole switch for language, since speech also depends on brain development, social learning, and cultural transmission, it remains a critical piece of the puzzle. Its mutation illustrates how a single genetic change can ripple outward, shaping the destiny of an entire species. The story of FOXP2 reminds us that language is not just a tool of communication. It is the foundation of human civilization. From the first proto-words exchanged by early humans to the thousands of languages spoken today, our voices carry the legacy of a mutation that occurred hundreds of thousands of years ago. One that transformed us from creatures of instinct into storytellers, thinkers, and builders of worlds. Thank you so much for joining this journey into our linguistic past. If you found this fascinating, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into what makes us who we are. See you in the next video.